Taste of 1914 from Doon Heritage Village. Now we hear that some of you are wanting to do some home baking but struggling to get yeast and flour, which seem to be in short supply these days. I've got the solution. A recipe called rice bread that comes from a cookbook called the Berlin Cookbook. It's from 1906, so it's local and has just a few ingredients. You're going to need some cold boiled rice, some cornmeal, 2 eggs, butter, baking powder, salt, and milk. That's it. You'll need a loaf pan for baking, and you'll need your measuring equipment. And a bowl, of course, with a spoon. But in 1914, people typically used their cutlery as measuring. We've got a tablespoon and a teaspoon, as well as cups. I've got a wet one and a dry one. Shall we get started? All right. So first off, I'm going to add a cup of soft boiled rice. It's cold as well, so leftovers from home. I've already measured everything. So we've got the rice. I'm just going to break up any lumps here. So next we need 1 1/4 pints of warm milk. Now 1 1/4 pints measures out to 2 1/2 cups. I've already got that measured. I'm going to add and warmed up. So I'm going to add that. There we go. And I just use skim milk. Now we need 2 tablespoons of melted butter. So there's the butter. Oh, it started to congeal a little bit, but that's okay. It's soft. 2 tablespoons of melted butter. So next we need 2 beaten eggs. So I'm going to crack my egg, make sure the other one doesn't roll away. Remove any shells. There we go. Now I need to beat it. You can do that with a fork, you can do it with your mixer, whatever you've got. Okay, and now I'm going to add the eggs to the mixture. Next we need a scant teaspoon of salt. You'll find a lot of the older recipes use measurements like pinch, scant, heaping. And that's okay, we know what it means. So it's a little less than a teaspoon of salt. And now I'm going to add 2 cups of sifted cornmeal. These days we really don't have to worry as much about sifting because our products often come pre-sifted. But if you'd like to, go right ahead. I'm going to add my cornmeal. Stir it in. You can use white or yellow cornmeal, whatever you have on hand. I'm going to stir this until it's smooth, but I also need to add 2 heaping teaspoons of baking powder. It's baking powder, not baking soda. So I'm going to add that as well and just kind of scatter it around. You could also sift that with your cornmeal. You just want to make sure there's no lumps. Nothing worse than getting a mouthful of baking powder or baking soda when you're cooking. I'm going to beat this well until it's smooth, and then pour it into my greased loaf pan. So now I'm going to pour the mixture into my prepared pan. It's going to fill it pretty full, and then smooth it out a bit so that it's not too bumpy when it bakes. And it goes into the oven next. My oven's preheated, if I'm at home, to 375. Here I just have to feel my temperature to be sure it's the right. And then in goes the loaf. And it's going to bake at 375 for about 40 minutes. So we have 40 minutes to wait, but we won't make you wait that long. Let's see if it's done. Oh, yes, the rice bread is steaming away. Pull it out. And over top. Should we let it cool? No, let's taste it now. Come on over. All right, let's cut a piece and see how it turned out. It's still nice and warm. It's a little bit crumbly, but that's okay. And I'm going to add some butter. Let it melt in. This is not a solid bread. It's not really great for making sandwiches, but it's very good and perfect with a cup of tea. Won't you join me? And we look forward to seeing you here at Doon Heritage Village in the future for a taste of 1914. Thanks for watching.